Okay, this is a short video. Check 1 2. This is a short video on how to replace a microphone cover on a Starkey Muse micro-RIC hearing aid. I have a couple patients that have to travel quite a distance to see me, and it's convenient for them to know how to do this. So if your audiologist has provided you with the necessary tool, this can be rather easy to do. The first thing you want to do is grab your hearing aid, and you'll have this tool that is a pair of rubber feet. Place this around the base of the wire where it comes into the hearing aid. Grip tightly, pull straight. It's important to pull straight so that the little seal does not distort. If it does, bring it into your audiologist so they can replace that. It'll still work in the meantime. Feel free to put the receiver back on, but get it addressed when you can. Once that's off, then you need to remove the current microphone cover, and all you do is take your fingernail, grip right above where the volume control button is, right above that, grip on the bottom side of the cover and just pull back. It pops right off. An alternative way to do it is to use your fingernail and get underneath the top part of the cover, which separates and then just peels off. Again, if you're not comfortable doing this, then by all means don't. Go into your audiologist, have them do it for you. Once you've taken off the existing cover, set that to the side. You will not be putting it back on. Take out your new microphone cover. You'll notice at the bottom of the cover there's two little extensions. Those go in the two openings on the bottom to the right and left of the bottom microphone. And then the top is where the receiver opening is. So the way to put these on is set the feet in the bottom and just run your finger up until it all clicks into place. Once that's on, you can pick up your receiver wire, line it up, push in, and you're done. And there you have your receiver back in place. You should be able to tug firmly and it should not come out. If it does, or if you're not sure you did it right, again, bring it into your audiologist. And that's all there is to it.